Hey everyone, Tommy from TechNexus, and thanks for joining me for today's video. Now firstly, before I kick off, I just wanted to give a quick apology. I've been interstate working on projects, and the PC that I took with me, for some reason OBS doesn't want to record the screen no matter what, so I just haven't been able to produce videos. But now I'm back, excuse me, back on home soil. We can get back to work with making these videos. Now, I put up a question on LinkedIn a couple of weeks ago asking people what kind of videos I wanted to see, and there was one there about Civil 3D and Revit. So there are two ways to get a surface from Civil 3D into Revit, and this is just a sample one that I've got here. Again, nothing special. If I hover my mouse, we have the layer A Topo Minor, and then if we hover over here, we've got Topo Major. So again, nothing really too special here. So to get this into Revit, we come up to the Civil 3D icon up the top right here, and then export it out as a Civil 3D drawing. Now, I'm only doing the model space. That's all I need to do. I'm going to throw it on my desktop, and I'm going to prefix it with the name AutoCAD. Okay, and that should finish in a second, and then we jump into Revit. So nothing special here. I haven't used a template. I've used no template, so there's nothing that's been set up here. I click on Insert, and then I import that CAD file. And you can see it there, and if I switch to 3D view, again, same thing. You can see that it's all in there, no tricks there. Now to convert it to Revit Topo, you go to Massing and Site, click on Topo Surface. Now you can place your own points obviously by default, but there's a little button here that says Create from Import, and I can select that instance. So I'm selecting the DWG that's been imported, and I'm going to deselect everything but the major and minor layers. And I'm going to go OK. So that will just do its thing, and now you can see we have it all in there. And if I rotate the view around a little bit, okay, you can see there's obviously an issue with one of the points, and this is from the original file, so you're obviously going to come across these sorts of things if the file isn't perfect. But now if I accept that, I can go back and change it later, and what I'm going to do is delete the original CAD file, so there's nothing in here now other than the topo that Revit made. Now if I switch it to fine mode and to shaded, you can see in there there's all of those surfaces. So that's one of the ways to do it. If you check back later in the week, I'm going to show you how to use BIM 360, Autodesk's cloud offering, to translate a surface from Civil 3D into Revit, and we're going to use this link topography button over here under the Insert tab. So again, apologies for having a bit of a break there. It was just interstate and project work and just some technical issues there, but we're all back on track. So like every video, thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but please do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notification of all of my videos, and I will see you during the week for some Civil 3D, Revit and BIM 360.